Hey guys, it's Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.com, and I wanted to show you we were getting our XSPC system set up here to see if we could better cool the AMD Ryzen Threadripper. What you're looking at here is the RX480 version 3 radiator, which is 4 fans long, give us a 480 millimeter. The D5 Photon 170 combination pump and reservoir, which you see sitting right here. I do not have the lighting turned on for that. This pump is incredibly quiet. You have to actually put your ear up to it to see if it's even running when it's wide open. So what we've done here, this will all be mounted underneath the test bench here where we do all our work. And so that's the reason this is still loose. This will all come back down and we'll put it on a box or put it on a piece of board and get it all mounted. When we get this in here, we'll tilt the reservoir up so we don't get any air back towards the pump end. So what we have here, we've got our outlet, comes down here, back over to our Threadripper block that happens to be on here right now, back up into our rad, out of our rad, and back into our pump. That's simple. You may be wondering what that is. That is a Koolance dry fit coupling, and let me show you how those work real quick. This is the Koolance QD3 series Drybreak coupling, and the reason we use these, like I said, is to be able to change out water blocks from system to system, and to change water blocks from moving from AMD to Intel or whatever we're doing. Obviously not all water blocks work on the same system. So all you do is grab these, and exactly where it says pull, and you pull them apart. So this is the live system we were just looking at. So there is the full amount of spillage we had, and I put this paper towel down so you can see exactly how much fluid we got out of there. So what you have in the middle of there is 2 plungers that come together, then push back through into a larger cavity to allow flow. Put them back together, and now our system's back together. I'm going to show you right over here. We can catch a glimpse of all the air we got in the system. Let's see. Hang on, I'm going to get this out of frame for a minute. Wiggle these out of here. So there is a look. See that bubble? There's a look at all the air that got back in our system. Maybe a little bit more than that. But so these things are great. They used to be tremendously expensive. You can get them now. They run basically $10 to $15 a piece, depending on what configuration. You can get them with threaded ends on them and compression ends on them like we're showing you here. And I think they do run up to 3/4 inch size as well. But so if you have something you need to change out, they make it extremely easy. So with all that said, we hope to be getting back to Threadripper testing here pretty shortly. This is Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.